Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create invert a wipe right animation in CapCut. So all you have to do is open the CapCut mobile version in here, create new project and use black background from the library, add, and here you can add text. You can try to type anything here. For example, no idea. You can adjust the size. Then you can export. Now create new project and choose white background from library. And again, you can add text with the same as before, but with a black font's color. And here you can export again. Now create new projects and select both projects before and overlay the second video here. And reposition from the start like the first video. Next, try to mask it. Try to search the mask. Here we go. This is the mask. Use the horizontal one, and you can try to make it horizontal like this. Try to cover up, and you can add keyframe anywhere. For example, let's add keyframe in the middle. Then go to the mask and try to swipe this. So after done, so this is the result. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click the next button below. See you in the next video.